Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the disappearance of the Smart View floating icon on any Samsung phone. Generally, we can find this icon or shortcut within the notification area, but if it's not visible, here's what you need to do. Go to the phone settings and enter the applications section. Then, we need to enable the option Show System Apps so that they appear in the list of applications. Once enabled, swipe the screen to find the Smart View application or use the search bar directly. If we use the search bar, we'll see it in the results with the name highlighted. Press it once to open the app's options, and the first thing we need to do is to tap on Force Stop. Then, tap OK to confirm. Next, we'll enter the storage area and delete the data directly. The following step will be to enter the Change System Settings area, so we swipe the screen until we reach that tab and enable the option to grant permissions. We'll see that the Show System Alert tab is turned off, so we enter and turn on that option. Now, we'll find the Permissions tab, enter and activate all the permissions. In this way, when finished, we close all windows, restart the phone, and when it turns back on, we'll be able to see the Smart View icon in the upper part of the notification bar. So, if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. I'm Sebas from Balmatech and see you in the next video. Bye.